Hi Jen, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing good. I heard you are teaching coding. How are your classes going?
Wonderful.
That's good to hear. What are you going to do today?
Well, I have a class to teach, and then I might go shopping.
Shopping sounds like a good idea. Call me when you are finished teaching because I might be able to go shopping with you.
Okay, I will. Well, it's time for me to go to class. I'll talk to you later.
Okay, I will talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Today, we will be continuing our discussion over if statements. In our last discussion, we tested two possible situations with if-else statements. But what if you need to test more than two possible situations? Well, to evaluate more than two possible situations, you will need to use Python's if-elif-else syntax. Each possible situation in the if-elif chain is ran in order until one passes. When one passes, the code for the test is executed and the rest of the tests are skipped. In today's example, we will be creating a program that displays the admission price to a museum based on the age entered by the user. For children 12 and under, their admission price is $7. For adults under 65, their admission price is $12, and seniors 65 and over, their admission price is $5.
Are you all ready to write code?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to type a comment. And this comment tells the user what the program does. Now, the first thing I want the program to do, I want the program to ask the user to input their age. So in order to do that, I'm going to call the input function. And inside the parentheses, I'm going to type, please enter your age. Now, the age that the user inputs is going to be stored as a string, but I don't want it to be a string. I want it to be an integer so that I can compare. So in order to change to an integer, I'm going to have to type int in front of the word input. And that converts a string to an integer. And the integer value will be stored in a variable called age. Once that's done, we can start writing our if statements. So the first thing I want to do, I want to write an if statement for the child being 12 and under. So I'm going to write if age is less than 13, the colon. The colon is very important. And indentation is very important. You see how on line 5 it started to indent? Please make sure your program indents when writing if statements. Okay, so if the child is 12 and under, the program will print out the admission price is $7. Now, we're going to write elif age is under 65. So if age is less than 65, okay, so I have my if-elif-else statements. So if age is less than 13, the program is going to print out the admission price is $7. Elif, if age is less than 65, the admission price is $12. Or else, the admission price is going to be $5. And that's for seniors 65 and over. Okay, so now let's run our program. And we're going to put, let's say someone is 72. And print out the admission price is $5. Okay, now we're going to put in, let's say the person is 2 years old. The admission price is $7, okay? What about if the person is 40 years old? The admission price is $12. So our program worked.
Thanks for attending class on today, and I hope you all learned something new.
We did, Mrs. Hughes.
Good. If you all liked the videos on today, please don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like buttons below. And stay tuned for more videos of programming with Mrs. Hughes. Bye, and stay safe.